Okay, video number 45. Here you will need to play not the chord in your right hand, but just the melody. So, you see I'm starting my left hand lower because it sounds better there, and don't forget that I'm using my pedal all the time. And I'm changing the pedal when the chord changes. For example, now I will be showing you how what I do with my pedal. I will be using my right hand to do that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah, so you see I'm releasing the pedal and putting it back just during the first beat of the bar, the first beat of the moment when I change the chord. Alright, let's try to play the pattern that is written in the book. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and melody F and G, C. And now I will try to play not only the root note of the chord, but I will be trying to play any note of the triad that I'm using at that moment. For example, now will be F, now will be D, and now will be E. Yeah. So you see, if I'm using different notes of the chord in the melody sounds more interesting and different. Try to play around that. Try to make more new intervals between the bass and the melody. Yeah. Or third, or the first, or the fifth. Yeah. And then let's go, for example, I don't know, to the hit the road jack pattern. Yeah. So minor fifth pattern. And now yeah. So guys, please have fun. Play with the chord progressions. If you have any questions, text me, email me. I will be happy to help you. And please check the last video of this book.